Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Uber Driver app. First, search for Uber Driver on App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've found the app, click on the Get button beside it. Then click on Open. Once the app is open, you will see some information about the app. To proceed, click on Continue. On the field provided, enter your phone number or email. Then click on Continue. If you already have an Uber Driver account, just click on Yes, it's me. So you will receive a 4-digit code to the phone number you provided. Once you received it, enter it, then click on Next. That's how you download and install Uber Driver app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.